We're putting in a commercial French drain system. This commercial French drain system is to handle a high volume of water. There's quite a bit of water that runs down into this building, unfortunately. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up all that water. There used to be asphalt all the way to the door, and the water just ran in. So you can't, in a situation like this, you cannot have concrete. It would take a couple of channel drains, and the best thing you can do is go ahead, cut that asphalt out. The stone, believe it or not, slows down the water. The water gets moving with such velocity. There's so much water that comes down this hill. It's traveling at such a high rate of speed. So we have our first line of defense. We've got a commercial French drain trench right there. And then we're going to have all this stone. Any water that gets by that, it's going to slow the velocity of the water down, the stone does. And then we have our second trench that will pick up any water that gets past our first trench. This commercial French drain system, all the calculations have been made so that we have the right size trench to carry the volume of water that we're going to be moving. There's over 200 foot of run here to where we end up at a low point in the lot where all the water will be discharged. For a commercial French drain system in Addison Township, Oakland Township, Macomb Township, give us a call.